friends, let's revise our topic sentences. Okay, we will be read about sentences. First of all, definition of sentences: a group of words which make complete sense. It's called a sentence. Basically, a group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. So we can say that it is a sentence. For example, the earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. It is a group of words. It is a group of words which makes complete sense, and it is arranged in a particular order. So we can say that it is a sentence. It gives complete sense. But see here, round the sun, revolves the earth. It is not a sentence because it is not arranged in a particular order. Yes. Okay. Round the sun revolves the earth. It is not a sentence because it does not give complete sense. Second, how many parts of a sentence? There are two parts of a sentence. First, subject. Second is predicate. What is subject? The part which names the person or thing about whom something is said. It is a subject. Okay. The earth. The earth is a subject. Revolves round the sun. It is a predicate because predicate. What is predicate? The part which says something about the subject. The revolves round the sun is a predicate because it says something about the subject. The earth is a subject. Revolves round the sun is a predicate. Okay. Next, how many kinds of sentences? There are 5 types, kinds of sentences. First, assertive sentences. Second, interrogative sentences. Third, imperative sentences. Fourth, exclamatory sentences. And fifth, optative sentences. First, assertive sentence. Thus, other name we can say that assertive sentence, declarative sentence, statement. These sentences make statements or assertion by simply affirming or denying something. For example, he takes English lesson. It is a sentence. It is an affirmative sentence because it makes statement or assertion. Second example is he cannot read Hindi because it gives negative sense. He cannot read Hindi. Okay. Second is interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence, children? This sentence is inquiry about something by asking questions. Okay. Is this mango ripe? Is this mango ripe? Is this mango ripe? You can give answer yes, yeah, no. Who locked the door? Who locked the door? Okay. It is an example of interrogative sentence. Third is imperative sentence. These sentences express some command and request. Don't pluck these flowers. It is a command. Don't pluck these flowers. Please give me your book. It is a request. For each exclamatory sentences. These sentences express some sudden and strong feelings such as pleasure, anger or surprise. For example, how wonderful, how wonderful, what a novel idea. Fifth is optative sentences. What is optative sentences? A sentence that expresses a wish, probability or suppositions. is called an optative sentence. Okay, for example, if I had wings, I would fly. It is a wish. May God help you in your attempt. It is a wish. Okay. If I had wings, I would fly, and may God help you in your attempt. It is an example of optative sentence.
One.
Remember, every sentence begins with a capital letter. Asserting, imperative and optative sentences end with a full stop, and interrogative sentence end with a mark of interrogation. Interrogative sentences end with a mark of interrogation, and fourth, exclamatory sentences and end with an exclamation mark. It is a concept map. See children, it is a concept map. Assertive sentence types: assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory and optative. Assertive sentences are two kinds: affirmative and negative. Affirmative and negative. Interrogative, WH word, yes and no. Imperative, advise, command, request. Optative, wish, curse and hope.
One.
It is homework. Write 10 lines of each kind of sentence. You have to write 10 lines of each kind of sentence. Your topic is online classes, and second is demerit of lockdown. Online classes, you can start the 10 lines first. It is very beneficial for us, online classes. Why it is beneficial for you? You can write about the 10 lines of online classes. You can start. Online classes is very beneficial for us. How it is very beneficial for us? You can write, and you can write, no, it is not beneficial for us. Why? You can give the answer of why. Demerits of lockdown. You can give the answer, demerit of lockdowns, and write the answer.
One.
Identify the types of following sentences. There are many sentences. You have to give the answer. Give this letter to my brother. Give this letter to my brother. It is an imperative sentence. What a fine evening. What a fine evening. It is an exclamation mark, so it is a exclamatory sentence. May God bless you. It is a optative sentence. Where did you go yesterday? In this sentence, ask a question. Where did you go yesterday? So it is an interrogative sentence. I saw this film last year. It is a declarative sentence. Okay.